Come test drive 2016 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm, Sirius satellite radio, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.